In this video, we're going to be looking at the word class verbs. A verb can be a being, doing or action word, and they can be used to describe physical or mental actions, such as thoughts, movements and emotions. Verbs can also be really useful to show us a tense of a sentence. Let's look at some examples of verbs. Addressed, opened, sing, skipping, thought, watched. Verbs also include the different tenses of to be and to have. Sometimes these verbs are called auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. This is because they add information to the main verb in a sentence and help tell us when the action happened. Take a look at these sentences. Elijah was eating his lunch. The sunflower seeds are sprouting on the windowsill. In the first sentence, was and eating are both verbs. Was helps to show us that Elijah was eating his lunch in the past. In the second sentence, are and sprouting are both verbs. Are helps to show us that the seeds are currently sprouting on the windowsill. Look at this sentence. The pilot checked the runway before landing the plane. There are two verbs in this sentence. Can you spot them? First, let's look for the word that describes what the pilot is doing. Did you find it? That's right, checked is a verb. Can you spot the second verb in the sentence? Excellent. Landing is a second verb as it's also describing an action. Hoo-yah! Let's look at another question. This one is asking you to find the sentence that's using the underlined word as a verb. My sister has a cheeky grin. My pet snake is very fast. That balloon is going to pop. Please speak clearly. The four underlined words are cheeky, is, balloon and clearly. Have you spotted a word that's being used as a verb? That's right, the answer is, my pet snake is very fast. Hoo-yah! For the final question, you're being asked to circle the four verbs in this extract of text. Pause the video here to have a go and then press play when you're ready. Do you have an answer? That's great. The cows were standing in the snow. They huddled close together, hoping for warmth. Did you spot all four verbs? The four verbs in this extract are were, standing, huddled and hoping. Well done if you managed to find all four verbs. Hoo-yah! Thank you for listening, and if you found this video useful, then don't forget that we've got lots more of these videos on the Twinkl website. See you next time.